In the vast landscape of human existence, collapse is inevitable. They laughed when you fell, wrote you off and moved on. Good. A Stoic man doesn't announce his comeback. He proves it. This is not motivation. This is war discipline. 7 lessons. No noise. Only results. The world saw your fall, but the ascent is for you alone. Subscribe to AREV, because strong men rebuild. The first act of recovery is to accept the ground you've hit. The fall is a fact. Don't deny it. Maybe you lost a business, a relationship, or your reputation. Maybe you failed yourself. Denial is weakness. The Stoic faces the wreckage with clear eyes, no bargaining, no regret. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "What stands in the way becomes the way." The fall is not the end, it's the path. Acceptance isn't surrender, it's a strategic assessment. You can't plan your next move if you won't see where you stand. Take inventory. The laughter, the silence, the judgment, these are just weather. They are not you. Stand in the ruins. Breathe. Feel the pain, the humiliation, the loss. Let it settle. Don't assign blame. Blame is a chain to the past. The Stoic seeks freedom, not anchors. The fall was an event, not your identity. Your power begins with radical honesty. Yes, this happened. I am here, at the bottom. There's strength in this admission. It's the ground for your new fortress. You're not fighting a ghost, you're facing reality. The money is gone. The relationship is over. The reputation is tarnished. Good. Now you know your starting point. You are at 0. There's purity in this, a clean slate. No more illusions, no fragile ego. You're free from expectation. This is the Stoic's first victory. While others complain you've already done the hardest step, you've seen the truth. The fall is not shameful. The only shame is refusing to get up, and you can't get up until you accept you are down. Acceptance is your first weapon. Now, withdraw. The world expects a spectacle. Don't give it to them. Disappear. Your comeback is not a performance. It's a private act of forging. The modern world demands updates. Ignore it. Every moment spent explaining is a moment stolen from real work. Seneca said, "Everywhere means nowhere." Focus is your resource. Your silence is your sanctuary. This is where you train, learn, and build alone. Let them wonder. Their curiosity is irrelevant. The man who announces progress is insecure. The Stoic is self-contained. This is where you sever dependence on others' opinions. You become your own judge. You're not hiding in shame. You're concentrating your power. A focused lens starts a fire. A scattered voice is just noise. Imagine a swordsmith alone in his forge. He presents the blade only when it's finished. You are that swordsmith. Your character is the steel. Delete the apps. Mute the noise. Decline the invitations. Invest your energy in yourself. Let your results be your only statement. Silence is not absence. It's focused power. As you rebuild, the world will test you. Ghosts from your past will reappear. Judgment will echo. The undisciplined man tries to control others. The Stoic controls his mind. List what you can't control. Their opinions, gossip, betrayal, respect. Trying to manage these is like commanding the tides, useless. Now list what you can control. Your response, your anger, your discipline, your thoughts. This is your kingdom. Here you are sovereign. A Stoic responds, not reacts. A reaction is emotional, a response is chosen. When insulted, the reactive man becomes angry. The Stoic sees it for what it is, noise. He lets it pass, preserving energy for what matters. This isn't about suppressing emotion, but transmuting it. Channel anger into effort. Use the fire to fuel your forge. The weak man is triggered. The Stoic observes, understands, and returns to his work. Your internal state is a fortress, calm amidst chaos. True power is self-command. Master your emotions and you become unpredictable to your detractors. They expect you to break. Your calm is a weapon they can't defeat. Motivation is fleeting. The comeback is built on relentless daily discipline. Become dangerously consistent. Consistency is the force that carves canyons and raises mountains. Go to the gym, read, work, every day, no matter what. Each action is a brick. Day after day, you build a fortress. Marcus Aurelius. Assemble your life action by action. Mastery isn't a leap, it's thousands of steps. You can't control tomorrow's success, but you can control today's action. This repetition rewires your brain, forging discipline and resilience. You're not just building a body or business, you're building character. Consistency is your weapon. While others wait for inspiration, you lay another brick. Let your schedule be your master. The debate is over. Only action remains. This is how you become dangerous, predictable in process, unpredictable in results. The hunger for approval is bondage. The man who seeks validation hands his happiness to others. The Stoic knows the world owes you nothing. Your comeback must be fueled by self-worth, not applause. When you fell, validation vanished. This was a gift. It forced you inward. The Stoic commands respect through action, not by chasing it. Think of the craftsman alone in his workshop. His focus is mastery, not praise. Validation comes from meeting your own standards. Others' admiration is just an echo. Stop checking who's watching. Focus on mastery of body, mind, and craft. When you stop seeking validation, you become most respected. People sense the strength of someone who doesn't need approval. Indifference to judgment is power. Let go of the need to be understood. Your purpose is not to be explained, but to succeed. Your worth is forged in silent effort and discipline. Post progress for yourself, not for likes. Acknowledge milestones internally. You are the only judge. The only validation that matters is knowing you did the work. The Stoics knew mind and body are linked. A weak body weakens the mind. To rebuild your life, rebuild your body. This isn't vanity, it's discipline made visible. Physical strength is readiness, resilience, and armor for the mind. Training is stoicism in practice. Lifting weight is embracing discomfort for growth. Each workout is a war against decay. Winning proves you can endure, move, lift, stand tall. Your posture sends a message to the world and to yourself. Change your body, change your mind. Transformation is silent but undeniable. When people see you again, they'll see the change in your presence. Your body becomes evidence of your discipline. The pain of training burns away self-pity and doubt. In the gym, you can't lie. You either lift or you don't. This honesty grounds you in effort and reward. Treat your body as your ally. Fuel it well. Test its limits. Build a fortress of strength and endurance. A mind of steel in a weak body is a king in a shack. Build a kingdom worthy of the ruler within. final lesson, let your results speak. Your comeback needs no announcement. All the work in the dark was for this. You transformed from the inside out. You didn't talk about it. You just did it. Now, the light within can't be contained. People notice, not because you seek attention, but because you command it. They'll see the change in your presence, your confidence, your results. They expected a plea for help. Instead, they meet a man who needs nothing from them. This is power. Success and silence are your weapons. They can't claim credit for your rise. They only see the finished product. Don't gloat. Don't point out their past laughter. The ultimate victory is indifference. Your life is the argument. Your success is the verdict. You didn't come back to where you fell. You built a new place on higher ground. The journey from the abyss is solitary, paved with discipline, lit by your own will. You accepted the fall, disappeared into the work, mastered the chaos. You built a body of iron and a mind of steel, not for others but for yourself. Your results speak louder than any boast. The man who emerges is not the man who fell. He's been remade. The world you left behind no longer fits you. They saw you fall, but they won't see you rise. By the time they notice, you're already gone. You're not circling back. You're moving forward to higher ground. The past is closed. Your future is unwritten. Subscribe to AREV. Your comeback starts now.